Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how I started my stationery shop online through Shopee. Due to quarantine, I thought of an idea to open up my personal online shop in which I can sell starter kits and care packages for bullet journal enthusiasts like me. In fact, I already listed some items in my Shopee seller account in the past 2 years but rarely started due to busy schedule in school. But today, quarantine finally made me do it. Last June, I started by thinking about on what I can sell as an artist. Since I have an abundant supply of stationery items that are just laying around, I decided to combine them into packs. Then, I took photos and finally advertised them on my social media accounts. I did this for a month before I completely ran out of supplies. I was able to save enough money to be able to invest on tools and materials that I'll use in the production of future products. In the process, I was also able to think of new stationery items to sell. As you can see here, here's some unpacking videos of the raw products which I bought on Shopee as well. To start a Shopee seller account, you just need 3 steps. First, have a Shopee account, of course. Second, a bank account. And lastly, product. Fun fact, the bank account I used wasn't mine. Neither of my parents, but a friend of mine which I never met in person. It was Kuya Jabesh, a co-artist who I met on Facebook last 2018. So we met on Facebook because he started this calligraphy group chat on Messenger where different calligraphy artists share their works and learn from each other. That was one of the most memorable part of my 2018 and created a big change or impact in my calligraphy skills. The group chat is still up but now inactive. Going back, once you connected the bank account, you can now accept orders and process them. Set a date on when the courier will pick up the parcels on your place, or you can also drop the parcels on their local office. J&T is the only courier that is available in Anaminas, and I set the pickup on fire station where my mom works as a firefighter. My mom is the one who interacts with the riders since my mom won't allow them to our home due to the COVID those times. But at this time of the year when cases started to decrease, pickup is now at our house, which is less hassle to my mom. J&T also provides the waybill and pouches for orders. For the payment, it will be directly transferred to your bank account or to your Shopee wallet first before you can transfer them to your bank account, whether it is cash on delivery or Shopee Pay. A little reminder that seller will receive the payment only if the buyer click the order receive button. So please, if you're satisfied with your orders, please don't forget to click order receive. The payment will automatically be transferred to the seller after 5 days otherwise, but please stop that order receive as much as possible. Next phase is the process. As what you can see here, I just cut a bunch of black colored papers and craft papers. I also have this puncher with a diameter of 1.5 inches to add some circle ephemera to some paper collections. So here's a clip of me doing a bunch. process, I cut my nail accidentally, but it's okay now since this was taken last August, so I'm all better now, lol. After producing hundreds of circles, I realized that I was using the tool wrong. I was trying to get circles like this instead of just sliding this. Okay, back to work. Next, washi tape swatching. I got this PVC washi tape sampler for 6 pesos each, then cut them into 3 5x5 cm squares. Then I proceed to transferring 3 washi tape sample at 1 foot each. I also created another variation of the size 5 by 10 centimeters, which are included in some packs. This can hold more tapes in different designs and read. All tapes in this video are from Shopee, so say salamat Shopee. There you go, just enjoy this somewhat satisfying ASMR of washi tape cutting and pasting with some nice background noises. Next is sticker sorting with some cake and water for snacks and more unnecessary reasons. See? Very unnecessary. I also curated several packs of stickers in different designs with 2 each of a variation in 1 pack. I also didn't understand what I just said. I mean, just watch what I'm trying to say. Painting session, we have here a black art ranger gouache. Okay, fun fact, I used to read this gouache. I prefer this using in my acrylic stamps due to the reason that my stamp pad ran out of ink. However, this product is now not available in my shop because it's too time consuming, and I already bought wood stamps that are maybe more expensive but are easier to clean and use. For those who have acrylic stamps, you can also do this for additional ephemera. Third phase, packing. Packing. Okay, the more I say that, the more it sounds weird. But first, let me tell you how to make cute envelopes out of a 5.5 by 8.5 paper. I'm using a parchment paper which I just cut into half. Just put a ½ inch dent on both longer sides and 1 inch on the shorter one. I'm using my nails, but you can also draw lines for better accuracy. Fold up the paper to the dent you did on the shorter side, then just cut like this. Kindly excuse my difficulty in constructing instructions. So just fold the sides and tada! This is the packaging for the circles. I later on changed it using ready-made envelopes for faster production just like this one. I include this on other packs, that's why this has a fewer inclusion. Finally, I'm creating journal sets including different papers, sticky notes, notebook pages, doilies, and a variety of stickers.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go, so tell me.
Lastly is placing them in the pouches and labeling them with tracking numbers. It was an extraordinary experience to be able to create journal packs and send them to different places in our country, to give satisfying service, and most of all, to give joy to my co-artists who makes boring pieces of paper into an art. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.